Slowly rolling across specially dried sand at the Airbus's testing site in Stevenage, north of London, the ExoMars rover is proving that its wheels can easily conform to the shape of rocks. There's a good reason why they are not made of rubber, says ESA's mechanical engineer Abby Hutty.
We don't want to take anything that's organic from Earth with us. So we've managed to create this wheel that's fully flexible but made out of effectively a membrane, a spring of metal.
The ExoMars rover project, developed by ESA and the Russian space agency Roscosmos, will be the first specifically dedicated to search for signs of life.
All missions up to now have only dug the top 5 centimeters of the surface, and we will go down to 2 meters. This is very important because it is in the subsurface and at depth that we have the best chance of finding evidence for the possible past presence of life on Mars.
Mars has almost no atmosphere to shield it from extreme temperatures, ranging from -100 degrees centigrade at night to +90 degrees at noon. It also does not have a magnetic field like Earth's, which blocks cosmic radiation, so life as we know it couldn't survive on its surface.
Down below different layers of rocks, maybe in a fissure between 2 different layers of rocks where there's water deposits and that kind of thing, that could be a nice place for that life to still be surviving.
The lack of a magnetic field presents another challenge. A compass does not work on Mars. At a distance of 54 million kilometers from Earth, combined with the planet's rotation, that makes driving the rover remotely a fairly complex task.
So while it's just on its own on the planet's surface, if it can look at what's in front of it, decide where it's got to go, how it's going to pick its path safely through that and drive all by itself, you can do a lot more science during the lifetime of the rover.
Scientists say once it lands safely on Mars, the ExoMars rover will be able to travel up to 100 meters per day, drilling the soil and looking for signs of life. George Putic, VOA News.